First, we need to check that the brake caliper is straight. If it isn't, what we do is we loosen the brake bolts off, we pull the rear brake on, and then tighten each bolt in quarter increments. Second, we're checking for the trueness of the rotor. In order to do this, we spin the wheel, seeing if the rotor makes any contact with the brake pads. If it does, we stop it at the point in which it passes through and hits. We place the truing tool over the top and pull it the opposite direction until it stops making contact with the brake pad. Sometimes if the rotor is too warped, it's easier to replace it. One other thing that we recommend looking at is the minimum thickness. We use a vernier caliper to check this. The suggested minimum thickness is on the side of the rotor.